cut cleaner, fit faster, and install Belfast sinks with total confidence. The Trend Professional Belfast Sink Jig is a dual-purpose universal routing jig for installing Belfast, Butler and Farmhouse sinks in timber and compact laminate worktops. The Belfast Sink Jig helps deliver accurate and repeatable results. With fully adjustable inset positions from 340 to 500 millimeters and the ability to cut sink apertures up to 1000 millimeters wide, it gives you the flexibility to work with a wide range of sink sizes and installation styles. Fast alignment gauges help position the jig, while the bridging pin system allows extra-wide recesses to be completed accurately using a compact jig design. Dedicated drip groove gauges make it quick and accurate to machine a protective channel beneath the worktop, helping prevent water tracking into adjacent cupboards. The R30 and R50 corner radius options helps create a clean professional finish at the front of the sink recess. The Trend Professional Belfast Sink Jig for accurate and repeatable sink installations.